Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's Mickey, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so we're gonna jump right into this video. Y'all know this is a little different from all my other makeup videos. I don't typically do voiceovers, but I felt like doing something new. I'm feeling kind of froggy, so yeah, I'm gonna do a voiceover today. So this look is solely inspired by Beats by Deb. She is also a YouTuber and she does a lot of makeup videos on her channel. So I would say subscribe to her as well. She does very, very great work. So right now I'm going in with my ColourPop to fill in my eyebrows. Every time I think to do a YouTube video, it's always in the spare of the moment, and I never remember to freaking get my eyebrows plucked or waxed, and I'm always rushing when I'm doing these videos, so my eyebrows look a mess. But I know how to make it work, so you girl. So now I am about to go in with my Juvia's Place concealer just to outline the bottom of my eyebrows. And mind you guys, I just started using this concealer and I must say it is some pretty bomb concealer. Um, Very great coverage. Y'all know I have been addicted to the LA Girl Pro Concealer for years now. See, I'm about to use that on the top of my eyebrow. But yeah, back to the Juvia's Place. It is actually great concealer. I haven't gotten used to using it directly on my face, like right up underneath my eyes and things of that nature to highlight. But yeah, it's pretty bomb. It is bomb. So next I am going to go in with my P. Louise Acid Rain base, and I'm just going to do an initial coat right on the lid of my eye. I just really want to do this because I want my eyeshadows for this look to be very, very vibrant, so that eyeshadow base will do the job for sure. So I'm starting this look with this eyeshadow from either the James Charles palette or the Jaclyn Hill palette. Totally forgot. That's really not important. What's important is that brush. And when I tell you that brush is like magic, okay? So this brush is the M508 Morphe brush, and it came in the brush set. The brush shit? No! The brush set from the James Charles palette. Love this brush. It is so great for packing and getting that color to actually set exactly the way you want it to set. So yes, I do most definitely highly recommend that packing brush. The next brush I am using is the M321 brush, and I'm just taking that brush above where I packed that first coat on, and I'm just taking a lighter shade of each color and just kind of blending it out just so that it could look super duper blended. So that next brush that I'm using, the white one, is the M433 brush, and it is also a blending brush, but it kind of kept the pigment more active, more so than just blending, so I kind of felt that it was necessary to use this brush, but they're both awesome brushes. Now I'm just taking a very dense black outline right up underneath where all three colors kind of blend, just so they can all kind of look more defined. And now I'm cleaning it up with some Vaseline and getting ready to cut that crease, hunty. Yes. Period. Okay, so starting out here with my cut crease, I do want to call myself out on a few things. So I do feel like I need to learn how to use more of my eye space when it comes to the peak of my cut. Like where I put the black at, I probably could have went up a couple of more steps. But it's so hard for me to notice that when I'm doing my makeup because my eyes are so small and I don't want to overindulge in too much makeup because I may overdo it, but at the same time, I ain't complaining. Another thing is I just set that cut crease brush, um, which is the M167 brush. Most people use the MAC brush, but it is so big for me, and I can't do it. I can't do it. So yeah, that brush, it just works for me to be more precise and defiant with my cut. So next here, I'm about to start on my halo portion of this look. I basically just outlined what I did on the top of the cut crease at the bottom. I just felt like it would kind of flow a little bit better with the look I was going for, more so than putting the darkest shades on the outside and then the lighter shades on the inside. But yeah, it turned out well. So next I'm gonna take a little bit of some setting spray, and I'm gonna spray my M124 brush, and I am gonna pit it pat pat pop pop, pit it pop 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 like P. Louise. Dang, that's funny. But yeah, I'm just gonna pat like a silver color onto the lid for that halo effect. I totally forgot what silver color that was, but yeah, it's just a basic silver. Nothing like super extreme. The trick is to make sure that your brush is wet when you are using shimmers. Next, I'm going in with this NYX white eyeliner. I did actually coat that in between part with some eyelash glue just to assure that I didn't have any cracks with this white while applying or drying. And it did a it did a phenomenal job setting, but my hand is very, very um, twitchy, shall I say? And yeah, it's so hard for me to get a neat line, but I did great. I did a great job because it's me. I know I personally did a great job. Other people probably would do much better. So now that I got my eyeliner going, I am about to just clean up my shape. Now I know like a lot of people initially will do this with their eyeshadow base, shaping off how they want their, shape to be, like before they put their eyeshadow on. I personally like to do it after. I don't know why. Don't ask me why, but I do. And this kind of skipped through the part where I did my bottom lash line, but it's only one uh, color and some glitter, and then I did some bottom lashes because I've never done bottom lashes for you guys. So now I'm going in with my Juvia's Place, and I mixed that with my Milani foundation. Um, and it is one of the best mixtures I've ever, like, it's one of the best recipes I've ever cooked up. Because listen, that Juvia's Place is so dry. Like, I think that's why my skin has become as dry as it has. But the Milani is so freaking moist that the combination between the two, it's unstoppable. Like, it's amazing, honestly. I can't lie to y'all. It's such a great idea. If you have, like oily skin, I wouldn't recommend you to use straight up matte foundation because it does create a, um, it does take away from oils that you need in your face. But if you do mix a matte and a dewy foundation, best of both worlds. Best of both worlds. Let them know I sent you when you do it. Okay? So I initially highlighted with my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm taking my Juvia's Place over that just because it's a little bit lighter and I'm looking for a more drastic look tonight, more so than natural. So, yeah, that works out perfectly fine for me. So I don't know if some of you all ever noticed that I sometimes will tell y'all that I'm using a certain contour palette. Sometimes I won't. When I don't, I'm typically just using eyeshadow. Yeah, I said it. Eyeshadow. And it works perfectly fine. Like, as you can tell, I actually like eyeshadow a little bit better because um, I like to use different shades of contour for different types of looks. Sometimes if I want more dramatic look, I can go for a deeper shade. When I want a more natural look, I can go for a lighter shade. And yeah, I like that. But on a good day, I'm using my MAC contour palette. So yeah. Now I'm going in with my Anastasia setting powder, which I have mixed feelings about this. I'm basically just using the rest of it until it's gone. But I don't know. I'm ready to try something else new. So if y'all have any suggestions, please let me know. I hear that the Laura Mercier is thebomb.com, so that might be up next. And last, I'm going in to finish off with my, regular, degular, natural look. I don't never do anything extravagant with my lips only because I'm always doing the most with my eyeshadow that I don't feel like it's ever necessary. But yeah, it's cute anyways. And yes, honey, yes, I am slayed to the gods when I tell y'all the makeup gods were with me today. Yes, Lord. Look at that. So precise, so sexy, so appealing, so lovely. I am in love, and I hope you guys are too. And that is it for me today. I hope you guys like, subscribe, and comment. Ring that bell, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Mwah.